the system can be used to inspect the pipes from 14 to 56 inches. The detector carrier weighs 27 pounds. Titanium pipe band weight varies from 5 to 15 pounds depending on its size. The system operates in a temperature range of -40 to +110 degrees Fahrenheit. Wi-Fi data transmission and battery power supply make the detector carrier completely wireless. The pipe band can be mounted on a pipe in 30 seconds by one person. Then the detector carrier is simply clicked on a pipe band. You can also use a welding pipe band installed before, which makes the system installation as long as several seconds. It takes 3 minutes for the system to inspect a 36-inch pipe, starting from the automatic offset calibration, waiting for X-ray to reach saturation level, and to take 23 images around the pipe. The images are taken when the detector carrier is motionless, which provides perfect inspection quality regardless the conditions of the pipe or the pipe band.